What's good? 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 What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey man. So yeah, I just want to shoot this video because a lot of people they get into business and they don't know exactly what to do once they join. So if you found yourself joining MCA or any other business online and you don't know exactly what to do or where to go next, then I got this covered for you. Okay? It's a simple little system that I'm using. It's called the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is a marketing suite and it's a tool suite that actually allows you to build a relationship and brand yourself as far as business goes with your customers, with your leads, with your prospects, whatever it is that you're doing. Okay? So what it is that it allows you to capture the information of the people that have requested information on your business. So they have to enter in their name, their phone number, and possibly their email address. So what it is, it allows you to build a capture page. And along with the capture page, some other things that they allow you to do with the system is you can actually email the list. So the people that have opted in, as far as entered their email or their information into your page, pretty much before they could see your business, it's going to allow you to send broadcast messages. It's going to allow you to send text messages if you have to if you use the phone number portion of the capture page. You can utilize the blogging platform. Um, we have generic marketing videos, local marketing videos, just some of the tools that you can use. Web page builders. So we're gonna get a lot more deep in that once you actually gotten into the system. But pretty much, I just wanted to kind of shoot this just to kind of show you exactly how it's utilized. Okay, so if you're an MCA, we actually created a training directly for you guys that are involved in MCA. Okay, so that's why I said if you found yourself joining MCA and you don't know exactly what to do here, this is what I wanted to kind of show you here. We did a company specific video training directly for MCA. Along with that, we've actually created some capture pages for MCA as well. So, for people that say, hey, I want to check out your business, what it is that you're doing, you can say, okay, cool, I'm going to give you this website, and I'm going to give you my page to my website, and you can definitely check it out, get all the information. If you like everything, boom. So just as an FYI, just to kind of show you an example of some pages that we have already pre-done for you, and then I'll show you one that I already have. So if you join me today in the Conversion Pros, I'm going to give you access to my marketing system. Okay, so here's one right here. Ready to make $80 per hour. Our proven system has paid out millions in commission. See how to make non-stop $80 payments, copying and pasting our system. You see how this is? How they enter a name, then boom. Once they enter that information, they go over here into your list that I showed you guys. And then that way you can keep following up, building relationships with them, okay? So, just trying to show you some of these capture pages. And you can change these up as well. So you can edit them as well. And we have trainings on this as well. So let me kind of go over here and show you the training. And this is not just to MCA. This is to any marketing, business, whatever it is that you're in. See, I'm just kind of scrolling just to kind of show you exactly what it is that the Conversion Pros have, just some of the cool little things that they have there, okay? But we're gonna keep this going because this is about MCA. So I'm gonna go over here just to kind of show you. So if you say, hey, I don't know how to use the system, this sounds complicated. No, it's not, because we show you how to use everything. How to start fast. Do this first. Building high-end looking pages. We show you how to do all this. There's master classes, okay? So if you don't know how to market online, we have trainings for you. From Facebook to Twitter to YouTube to Craigslist to building funnels, branding yourself. If you're in a business with a car program, offline marketing, video email, writing ad copy, which is a good thing to learn how to do if you want to have something that makes you people open up their emails or open up their phone. You want to have something enticing that you're writing, okay? MLM training tips. I mean, guys, it goes on, man. I'm just going to keep scrolling down so you can kind of see. But again, this is where I first came, and I'm telling you, this is for MCA. And this is over-the-shoulder training. It's not any PDF. This is actually video training, okay? So, for everyone that says, I don't know how to market, we got it all here. And another thing as well, let me see here. The boot camps that we did, this is going to show you just exactly how to do a lot of good training as far as online marketing, how to get more people into your business. So these are trainings, guys. These are people. This is what who I'm talking to is hopefully a newbie in marketing. You know, and if you're already a skilled marketer, this is just going to help you get to the next level or even make it easier for you. But if you're brand new, this is what you want to be looking into. So I don't care if you're already in MCA, it does not matter. You don't have to write me and say, hey, I'm already in MCA, can I join? If I'm leaving a link right there, click the link, get in touch with me if you want the exact funnel that I'm going to show you in the end. Okay, if not, you can go in and utilize some of this and build your own system. Alright, I already have a follow-up series for messages. So as soon as someone opts in my link, I have a message follow-up series already that's going to actually go and start building that relationship with them. Sending messages out every day on autopilot, building that relationship. I already have that set up for you. So you don't, when you join me, I'm just going to give you the codes on how to hook it all up. And if you want to, you can go in and do your own thing, which we show you how to do in this part of the training. Okay? So that's just one thing here, okay? Over here as well. So if you say, hey, Jay, I don't really want to be on Facebook all day. I don't want to be on YouTube. I don't want to be on Twitter. I don't want to do none of that. Me, I'm a YouTuber. I like shooting YouTube videos. That's me. I also buy leads from the Conversion Pros. Now, here's the thing about the Conversion Pros is because they offer different types of leads. So let's just say, all right, I got my own thing for MCA. Okay, not TCP, but if you want to and just send out your leads directly to the Conversion Pros, they're going to close your sales for you because you get a $25 residual commission. You can get a semi-annually commission, or you can get an annual commission with them depending on what your leads or your prospect signs up for. So if you just want to market the Conversion Pros, you can definitely do that. But in this particular video, MCA. So we're going to say personal contact manager. I mean, for my contact. So we're going to say I want mail business only opportunity leads. So I can purchase 50 leads, you see? And that's 49 bucks, 98 cents per lead. These are not clicks. These are people that have entered in their information and said they're interested in making money online, okay? You don't want to do those. We have live interviewed leads, okay? So for 25 leads, $85. They're a little bit more high end because these people have actually been interviewed and said, hey, you know, I'm waiting on someone. So pretty much you can see this is a more high-end lead, but it costs to play, okay? So it depends on the budget that you have. So let's just say I got MCA Authority, I got an MCA Benefit, follow-up. That's another MCA. So I just have different ones. So we can even say my MCA Daily Income. No, we were Paid on Fridays because Paid on Fridays promotes MCA and TCP. So that's why I call that the Paid on Fridays funnel. So you're getting paid through both companies, okay? So that's how it is. So those are the message follow-up series that you pretty much then will just go out and send those messages to those leads, okay? So let me pause the video and let me go ahead and get this page together. And I want to show you the exact funnel that I have, but I just want to show you, you know, the main things as far as how to market, how to make money, you know, and this goes for any business here. So, you know, it just not just take, you know, if you're seeing people saying, hey, you know, buy this training, buy that, boom, boom, boom. And just to make it even more sweeter, when you join me, I'm going to give you access to my additional training for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and this is paid traffic, so this is not free marketing. So if you become a paid member with the Conversion Pros after your 7-day trial is up, then I'll definitely get you that. You just reach out to me and I'll give you access to that particular training. So you just create your username and boom, you're in. Okay? So I got that for you. Alright? Now let me pause this video because I want to show you guys this funnel that I created that we have strictly for MCA. Just a second. Okay. So here's one of the pages that I got here, right? So I'm just going to kind of show you guys just how it goes here. And I'm going to put in my Get Paid with Jay email. This is a real email. We're going to say 217, so we're going to put that number in. Boom. And I'm gonna pause this video here because the video can get kind of loud. But this right here is called a bridge page. See, a bridge page, you can either replace this video, and I just kind of put a simple video here because you can replace it or you can leave it. A lot of people, they'll introduce themselves and they'll say, hey, my name is such and such. If you're watching this video, congratulations. I wanted to share some information as far as why I joined this video or this program, or what it's been doing for me or how it's helping others. Just kind of giving a good quick overview of who you are and what you're doing or how it's helping you, and then let it go into the next video where it's a real presentation along with some proof, things like that, which I have set up for you. So this is kind of a breakdown where it's being explained by a top earner in MCA, just kind of explaining the overall benefits of the company and just giving you a run through, showing his proof. And then from there, once you click the next video, see, boom, it takes you into a presentation. See, the presentation of the video is going to kind of go deep into Motor Club of America, showing you exactly where the company comes from, the benefits, showing you how to get paid, the actual products of it, how to become an agent, the full rundown. Okay, and then from there, if you want to join MCA, boom, you would click here, and then if you want to access the training to join TCP, you would actually click here. And this is just showing you a funnel that I made with MCA as well, how I did it, and then me kind of giving a breakdown of a MCA training. See, boom, we're breaking it down. We got a training right here for you. And then as you go, like, hey, I want to utilize this, you can come on right on in, man. TCP. TCP. So, just to sign in here, you can go ahead and get this. And then to use the code here, you just want to use free week. Okay? So use free week. If you want to come right on in, you want to take advantage of the free trial, just use free week. If you want to come on right in, you do the $50 a month. Let's do it. But I'm going to go ahead and get you that training as well. So I'm going to get you covered all the way around. See, webinar replays with timer, capture page creator, which I showed you how to get the information of the people. Autoresponder, I give you the message follow-up series that's going to go out and build a relationship. All this you're going to be getting with this company, okay? So this is how you win in any business. This is where I tell everybody they need to go if they're going to join MCA. If you're going to join any business online, the community that we have with TCP is great. We have a large Facebook community. Where we're constantly doing different trainings where a lot of people are learning a lot of good income with this, guys. So if you're an MCA, you want to make some residual income along with that. So you see how this is all tied together pretty much. I get paid $80 commission with this company. I get paid a $25 residual with TCP. So I'm maximizing my income to $100 per sale with this particular program. You see what I'm saying? So that's the same thing that you would do as well. And that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. I got a little one running around, man. He's just all over the place right now. Just trying to get my attention. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up, man. I want to try to catch up with so much that's been going on with my family right now, man. We're just trying to get a hold of everything with the situation. But guys, let's get this money. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.